Most of our professional collaborative time is spent in rooms designed to support productivity, but they often achieve the opposite. Teams gather around cluttered lean tables, squinting at small, glare-covered screens, and losing momentum while fighting with mismatched cables just to share a simple document. This friction is a quantifiable drain on corporate resources. Every second spent hunting for the right input channel or waiting for a laggy interface to register a tap creates a cognitive load that breaks concentration and halts the speed of decision-making. We have come to expect seamless connectivity from our personal devices, yet the corporate boardroom remains a fragmented mess of separate cameras, microphones, and displays from multiple vendors that rarely communicate efficiently with one another. Solving this requires an architectural shift. We have to stop viewing the meeting room display as a passive monitor and start seeing it as a fully integrated compute node, a system that processes complex data, audio, and video locally. To regain organizational speed, the meeting room must become a high-performance workspace. It requires hardware capable of anticipating user needs rather than just displaying their output. The engine behind the NewBoard P-Series is the RK3576 octa-core SoC. An SoC, or System on a Chip, integrates the central processor, graphics processor, and memory controllers onto a single piece of silicon. This specific architecture uses 4 high-performance cores and 4 high-efficiency cores to manage heavy multitasking without the system hanging. The processor is supported by 8 GB of RAM and 64 GB of ROM. RAM, or random access memory, provides the active workspace for running apps, while ROM, or read-only memory, stores the operating system and files. This configuration provides a luxury buffer, allowing the system to process 4K video, incoming audio, and touch inputs in parallel streams that never intersect or lag. This hardware runs Android 14 natively, but it also reserves a slot for a Windows OPS. OPS stands for Open Pluggable Specification, a hardware standard that allows a full Windows PC to be integrated directly into the display, providing the flexibility of a dual system setup. This hardware headroom handles current applications effortlessly, while providing a strict 3 to 5 year safety margin for future AI software updates. In a high-stakes boardroom, the clarity of a financial model or the exact color of a design can influence a multi-million-dollar decision. The P-Series captures the room through a 48-megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor, using deep 3A algorithms to maintain visual fidelity. 3A stands for auto exposure, auto focus, and auto white balance, a system that continuously analyzes the room's lighting to ensure color accuracy and edge sharpness. When annotating those designs, the screen uses a high-density infrared matrix to reach an ultra-low latency of under 5 milliseconds. This speed removes the digital gap between thought and ink, reacting faster than human perception, so the line feels physically attached to the stylus tip. Physical interaction is further authorized through the single-pen dual-color feature. The hardware recognizes the tip and the tail of the pen as separate tools, allowing you to write in one color and highlight in another without ever opening a software menu. When visual clarity meets zero-lag interaction, the technology effectively disappears. This allows the team to remain entirely focused on the creative work rather than the tool they are using to perform it. Visuals are only one part of the equation. In a large auditorium, ambient noise and physical distance often degrade remote communication until it becomes unusable. To counter this, the P-Series uses the AQA DSP engine and an 8-microphone array. A DSP, or digital signal processor, is a chip designed specifically to analyze and modify audio streams in real time, creating a virtual bubble of clear sound around the speaker. The system runs an AI-driven noise suppression model trained on over 500 meeting room profiles. It actively identifies over 300 types of non-human background sounds, like air conditioner hum, rustling paper, or keyboard typing, which are then stripped away before they reach the network. With 12-meter long-range pickup, even a participant sitting at the very back of a large room can participate in the discussion with full vocal clarity. Connectivity follows a single cable philosophy. Through a front-facing USB-C port, one connection handles video, audio, touch feedback, and power delivery simultaneously. This enables hardware resource sharing. When a presenter connects their laptop, they can immediately use the board's professional 4K camera and 8-mic array as the default peripherals for their own video conferencing software. For system integrators, the board includes an HDMI out port for signal pass-through. This allows the processed 4K signal to be sent to secondary displays, projectors, or recording rigs with no added latency. While presenting, the system provides 65 watts of power delivery. This is a fast-charging standard that keeps the presenter's laptop fully powered throughout the session, eliminating battery anxiety. Consolidating these protocols turns the P-Series into a universal docking station for the entire enterprise. For IT managers, the primary concern is network security. Any device added to the network must be an authenticated endpoint that prevents unauthorized data access. The P-Series secures this through Google EDLA certification. EDLA stands for Enterprise Device Licensing Agreement, which provides native, secure access to the Google Play Store and Google Workspace, all protected by the real-time malware scanning of Google Play Protect. This secure ecosystem enables advanced cloud tools, such as the 5-stage speech recognition pipeline. It moves from multi-speaker transcription to semantic correction, data structuring, and finally to the generation of intelligent summaries with clear, actionable takeaways. Large-scale deployment is managed through zero-touch enrollment. This allows an IT manager to automatically configure, patch, and manage 1,000 screens globally from a single central desk. The NewBoard P-Series functions as a secure, AI-powered digital asset, designed to keep the modern collaborative environment running exactly as it should, without friction.